Hello everyone, I'm Rick with CyberMedics.org, and we're here today to talk about how to secure your Yahoo email account with a hardware security key, in particular the Yubikey. So let's get started. Once you log into your Yahoo account, you'll come over here and go Account Info. And then once you get to Account Info, you'll click Account Security. Once you're on Account Security, scroll down here to where it says Two-Step Verification, and you're going to click Turn On Two-Step Verification. A little bit background why it's important. It ensures your account will be accessible through a particular security method, and in this case you have 3 different methods from least to most secure. You can use your phone number as a second form of identification. You can use an authenticator app. Google, Microsoft, Yubikey all have authenticator apps which generate a one-time passcode, or you can use a physical security key, which is the most secure, and that's what we're doing today. So click that, and then it's going to go to the screen. You're going to set up a key. You're going to get 2 prompts. If you click Continue here, the first one is from the browser, and you're going to click OK. Set up the key. Second one is going to come from the account that you're trying to log into with the key. In this case, it's from Yahoo. Click OK. And you're going to touch the key. And this is where the process is a little bit different as opposed to Google, because they're asking you to enter the PIN that you might have previously set up on the key, where Gmail does not ask you to do that. It's going to ask you to touch the key. Touch the key. Now, this is another important part to pay attention to. If you have at least 2 other verification methods for email, you don't have to enter a phone number. If you're concerned about your phone getting hacked and used as a weak point into your account, you don't have to enter a phone here. You just have to make sure that these other 2 methods would be available in case you lost your key. Most organizations, including Yubikey themselves, recommend that you have a backup key and keep it safe somewhere in a safe or with a friend that you trust. So we're just going to click Remind Later here. Okay. And why are we doing this? Protect the money, baby. Yeah, you don't want the hackers getting into your financial accounts using your email as your weak point. So this will definitely make it extremely difficult, if not impossible, for them to do that. Note here you can add additional keys. Like I said, I recommend you add a backup key. You could add 2 backup keys if you want. And that way, if something happened to the one key, you could actually use the other keys to get access to the account. So what we're going to do is log out and log back in just to show you the process. Once you've added the key, we sign out. We're going to sign in. Use this. Touch the key. Enter your PIN. Again, an additional step. Device Gmail. There you go. You're back into your account. Account Info. Account Security. You can see Two-Step is on. So I hope this helped you with your Yahoo account. We're trying to put together a lot of content on particular email services, how to authenticate those through the hardware Yubikey. If you have a particular email that you would like added that's not already on the list, please let us know. If you have any questions, we would love to hear from you. Hope you will consider subscribing, and have a great, safe day.